Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A42 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open menu, find Samsung folder and open it. Then click on voice recorder. Click allow and allow again. Click on the red button to start the recording. You can end it by clicking on the same button. Now tap on the right button, enter name of your recording and click save to save it. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. If you wanna see a list of all of your recordings, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!